Day 2 for Army Recognition editorial team at UMEX 2022, the International Unmanned Defense System and Military Training System at Abu Dhabi in UAE. Today we will focus to the presence of the international defense and security industry who present latest innovation and technology of UAVs, USVs and more. One of the biggest pavilions at UMEX 2022 is China. The Chinese defense industry, under the umbrella of Naval, present a full range of different types of drones, including helicopter drones, long-range patrol drones, loitering ammunition, and more. A very interesting and unique product is the SR5, who has the capability to launch now different types of loitering ammunition, including the Dragon 60B and the Dragon 60A. In this configuration, when the launcher rocket system can launch the 60A loitering ammunition, they have two 6 launch tubes mounted at the rear of the truck, or in case of the loitering ammunition 60B, they have 2 launcher ports of 20 launcher tubes each. Norenco has also developed different types of VTOL, unmanned aerial vehicles. VTOL doesn't mean vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial systems. In this configuration, you can see both drones can be armed with bombs or 40mm automatic grenade launcher. Another interesting product presented by the Chinese defense industry is the Golden Eagle CR500A. This vehicle is able to launch anti-tank missile with a maximum range of 5 km. China has also developed different types of loitering ammunition. You can see here the Dragon 5A. What does it mean, loitering ammunition? It's suicide bomb. You can see now here the Sharp Claw 1 is not really a new product. In the past, the vehicle was armed with a 7.62mm machine gun, but now the vehicle is fitted with 4 grenade launchers of 90mm caliber.
As we're looking here at the picture, notice there is no equipment around it. That's it. That is the footprint of the aircraft. So we've gone from generation 1 with runway dependent, generation 2 runway independent, to generation 3 not only runway independent, no equipment at all. So the aircraft can take off and land in a space about the size you're seeing right now with minimal equipment. So it's a variety of missions. You can see the camera on there now is a medium wave infrared together with electro-optical, day and night, one camera. This main part of the body here, you can put sensors as you wish. ESM, electronic support measures, signals intelligence, static capture radar, which you can look over the sea, through the fog, through the rain. And also we have other surveillance capabilities that are passive, no radar signal going out. All of that can be loaded on this aircraft, today, right now. A lot of the UAV systems you will see here, they can go on a ship or they can go on land, one or the other. This doesn't care if it's a ship or land. It's the same system, it doesn't matter. So you're offering flexibility to the operator. Land naval application, you can put inside a minivan, inside a helicopter and transport it somewhere for 2 weeks. The biggest customer that we had right now is the US Marine Corps and our oldest customer. There's no support equipment, nothing. This aircraft is landing in a spot in between the helicopters. Never has the US done that. They always move the helicopters. This aircraft here, full of benzene, full of payloads and everything, is about 55 kilos total. And we try to keep it as a 2-person carry for a reason, so 2 operators can move it. The other thing is the duct is specifically the size to go in and out of a ship, the hatch of any ship. So any standard size ship, you can move this aircraft in and out, take the wings off.
My name is Metin Erdoğan. I'm the Vice General Manager responsible from the security and the military business of Interdata. Actually, Interdata is supplying big systems to the security and the military market. We are a well-known company in the area of data centers. We are supplying solutions like anti-drone systems, convoy protection systems. We have some products in the tactical surveillance area, and we are doing drones and VTOL systems. These are the armed drones. These drones can fly for more than 20 minutes. They have a range of 10 kilometers. These drones make necessary observations with their thermal cameras or electro-optical cameras. They lock onto the targets with the artificial intelligence. These are for classical applications, and we have a laser-guided ammunition solution as well. In this scenario, we launched the mini missiles, which go to the target very accurately and do not have any collateral damage in the area. This is a 40mm rocket launcher. We have thermal cameras, day TV cameras and laser rangefinder integrated with the system. We acquire the target with the electro-optics, make the measurement with the laser rangefinder. We make the ballistical calculations and send our rockets to the targets. This is very special item. Currently, it is very hard to find such mini missiles. We are working with Roketsan. They are producing those mini missiles and we are producing the platform itself. This missile is guided by laser beam. The number of the tubes depends on the operational capability. If you need to have 4 launchers, of course we could modify, but those items are mainly used for short time and short distance applications. We have several reconnaissance drones. This one is a mini VTOL system that can operate for 3 hours. This is a small drone. It's a very quiet drone indeed. It can work something like 76 minutes. In these systems, we get the information from very long distances. It's a very unique design, so we are very proud of this equipment.
My name is Khalifa Al-Tamimi. I'm from Halkan, one of the companies that fits under the Edge umbrella. Halkan is specialized in guided systems. Now we're also starting to explore and working on autonomous systems. We are happy to introduce our new system, which is the Hunter. Hunter is an unmanned drone that can be launched from a ground-based platform as a swarm solution. A swarm, it means that you have multiple drones that can communicate with each other, that has an AI solution in it and can identify target more precisely. It also provides an ability to cover a better area, identify threats and act accordingly. This is a ground platform. It can be fitted anywhere that can fit the size. That's a solution that we provide is to support the country defense and to provide professional solutions. It has better quality and effective. This solution is a drone that is used for surveillance, and it's actually on both sides. It's also weaponized. It can carry up to more than 100 kilograms of weight or payload. The idea is to have a drone that can do a surveillance over 24 hours in the air. It can identify using a gimbal threats and targets, and it can act accordingly. It has a cruising speed of 80 knots. It can fly up to more than 10,000 feet. It has a range of 200 kilometers. Most of the solutions you see here, especially Halkan products, are an end-to-end products. It's designed, developed, assembled, produced, and tested within the UAE.
My name is Colonel Abdul Nasser Al-Humaidi, and I'm the official spokesman for the UMEX and Semtex exhibition 2022. To begin with, this exhibition comes in a very critical circumstances as it affects globally, which is the COVID-19. And it is a proof that UAE is recovering from this pandemic quickly and restoring its economy at a faster pace. And one of the objectives and one of the achievements is as we see this type of global event takes place here in the capital, Abu Dhabi. It's one of the only or one of the few exhibitions that particularly addresses unmanned systems and its related technologies. And UAE would like to be the leading countries in such technology. It's a very successful event as we think. We have a part of the number of companies which exceeded 130 companies locally and internationally. We have 7 newly committed countries to the exhibition, to include State of Israel, Turkey, and Ukraine as well. And the UAE market in this technology is emerging rapidly. So far, during the last 2 days of the show, we've announced about 1.6 billion dirham in contracts. Based on the history, this exhibition has been growing in terms of number of participation and also the number of deals. There is no doubt that the next edition will be even bigger, and that reflects also the increasing demand for these type of technology around the world.